just the way I came up was, it doesn't really matter who's across from you, you're gonna fight them. You know, I'm not handpicking people, I'm not over stressing about who it is or what it is. Like, I'm getting ready for me. I'm worried about what I'm gonna do, and not who's in front of me, because that could change anyway, you know, or that person could fight differently. So for me, it's never really been about who's across from me.
To us from Dublin, California. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Kevin the Soul Assassin Ross.